Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a smart AI chatbot for a dental clinic, a bot that not only talks to clients, but actually remembers conversations and pulls accurate information straight from your own clinic documents. By the end, you'll have a fully working system that you can embed anywhere. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Setting up the chatbot base. Let's start by looking at our workflow. For now, we're just going to focus on the chatbot itself. We'll save the other steps you see here for later. Our starting point is a trigger node. In this case, when chat message received. That means our workflow is activated every time someone sends a message to the bot. Next, we have our AI agent node, which is linked to the OpenAI GPT-4o model. I've also attached a memory module, so the bot can remember the last few lines of the conversation. I've set it to remember the last 5 exchanges for now, which is usually enough for most chat flows. For testing, I'm starting with a simple, basic prompt to make sure the bot responds correctly before we customize it. So let's test the bot and just type "Hey there" to check if it works, and it does. Step 2. Customizing it for the dental clinic. Now that the base bot works, let's make it specific to our dental clinic. For this, I want the bot to be able to look up and share accurate clinic information instantly. To do that, we're going to connect it to Pinecone, which is a high-performance vector store perfect for storing and retrieving our clinic's documents. Step 3. Creating the Pinecone index. Once you've signed up for Pinecone, click Create Index. Give your index a name, choose your configuration. For this example, I'm using text embedding 3 large, and set the dimension to the maximum, then click Create Index. To connect Pinecone to N8N, go to the API section in Pinecone, create a new API key, copy it, and paste it into N8N's Pinecone node credentials. Step 4. Adding your clinic data. Now that we have the vector store set up, we need to feed it our clinic data. I'm using Google Drive for this. First, connect your Google Drive account by following the authorization steps in N8N. Then, create a Google Drive trigger that activates whenever a new file is created. This passes the file to a Google Drive download node, so we can work with it locally in the workflow. Next, we send that file into the Pinecone vector store node. But before that, it goes through the OpenAI embeddings node. Make sure your embedding model here matches the one you used in Pinecone. Right before we split the text, we're using the default data loader. This step automatically detects and reads the file format and extracts the raw text so our embedding model can work with it. The file then passes through a text splitter, so it's broken into smaller, manageable chunks. This helps the bot search and answer questions faster. Finally, the processed text is stored in Pinecone under a namespace. Here I've called it clinic data. After executing all the steps, we are going to check our Pinecone account and make sure it has worked. Step 5. Connecting Pinecone to the chatbot. Now that Pinecone has our documents, we can add it as a tool in the AI agent node. This means when the bot gets a question about the clinic, it can query Pinecone for relevant information and respond with accurate details pulled straight from our files. And of course, once again, the embedding should be the same as the others. Now let's test our bot and ask a clinic-related question. We can see in our document that general checkup costs $85. We now have to see if our bot will give us that answer. As you can see, it has successfully pulled data from the vector store and gave us the right answer, and asks us if we want more information, so it's all ready. The clinic chatbot is ready to use. You can embed it on your website, connect it to messaging platforms, or share it through the public chat URL provided in the chat message node. And there you have it, a fully functional AI-powered chatbot for your dental clinic, complete with memory and real-time access to your clinic's documents. You can customize this same setup for any business, making it a huge time saver for client communication. If you found this useful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI automation tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of chatbot you'd like me to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.